huge, huge, and big efforts for this kind of thing. Look at this. Dew campers.
You can see that. Come on. You see they have refrigerators, all the stuff in here. They have the cupboard in here. Check this, is the huge cupboard for all things. And for hand washing, here is all the system in here. Look at that. Oh, you can see water is still moving in here. This is the cupboard. Look at the huge bag in here. Top huge bags for goods. And on the side is the house. Stresses for the idle coin, and you can keep this money thing in here. And also the LCDs here. Look at that. The huge LCD. For the sitting only. You can take some rest in here. The proper way this is much more thing. Huge down. Look at this. Extra tools for the couples. You have like big apples. Also they have this is sliding door in here. Show this. It's showing the sliding door. And this is the toilet in here for the washroom in animals. Look at this. This the huge camping in here. That is, you can increase in the size all that's reduced. But the huge size pads, this is huge. Like it's wide and two wides. Obviously from the down, it sees all the panel system is located here. All the system in here. And you can control all the the electronic and everything is located here. So this is not in singles with the dual put rest, right? Like this. Yeah, just use please. How we can check this? This is the type of GMC, right? This is original SILVERADO, yeah. GMC's doesn't have that kind of thing. Yeah. Oh yes. In one press. Thank you.